There's a very unique example which I give to students who are in my communication class, and something uh, something which is related to, the I factor. Whenever we go for fishing, we carry the food that the fish want. And so, whenever we go for fishing, we think about the fish. In the same way, whenever we are communicating with somebody, it's important to think about that person. One of the important aspects of this, uh, which is called successful communication process, is a smile. It is very important. It is very important to understand that a smile can do wonders. A small smile, uh, thank you, a well done, you're looking so wonderful, uh, be happy, may God bless you. These are the small things that can create an impact, and it will be a very favorable impact in the days and times to come. It is always also important to remember that you should not break the communication chain. Say, for an example, you have been disconnected with people. It happens in life because we are so busy in our day to day life. And so, um, once in a while, you can just go through your WhatsApp or whatever messenger chat boxes, and just send a hi, hello, how are you, it has been long. So this is how you don't allow the communication chain to break, and that is why it is absolutely important to maintain that relationship, and it creates wonders for you. uh, it also makes the other person feel that you are really concerned about him or her. So this is how it actually works. So a smile, thinking about the you factor, uh, a thank you, how are you, well done, you're looking so wonderful. So these are the small bits and pieces of things that can create wonders. The other thing that is important is that whenever you're communicating with somebody, whenever you're creating a blog, maybe right now, what I'm doing right in front of you, you should be super excited. That excitement actually creates wonders. That excitement actually, it's transmitted to the person or the people who are sitting or standing in front of you, or are on the other side of a telephone. The excitement shows that you are really giving importance to that person. The excitement shows how important is the whole communication aspect for you. The excitement shows how honest and sincere you are in the communication process. So all these things together come into play to make a very dull communication, turn a very dull communication into a very exciting and interesting and successful communication process. Communication gap appears because of noise, and noise happens only when you are not sincere, you are not excited, you are not thinking about that we factor or that you factor. So please try to avoid the noises in communication, and only then will communication become successful. The last aspect is falling in love with communication. Even if you're saying a hi or a hello, do it with all kind of emotions that come into play. So there's no harm in saying, like on the telephone, hello, or say hello, hello. So instead of a hello, which looks very dull, which sounds very dull rather, you can do this kind of things. So avoid it, the noises, bring the melody into it, and that is how it works. Thank you.